Hey friends, if picture thumbnail previews are not showing on File Explorer on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now the first thing is that you need to have selected the site option. Select large icons from this view tab here. Click on view, select large icons. And even in this case, there's an option that it won't show. I'll tell you why. If you go to performance options and click on adjust the appearance versus performance, just see this. There's an option called show thumbnails instead of icons. If this is unchecked and you click on apply, you'll see that all the thumbnails are gone and instead you see the icon of the software with which you will open this window. Okay. For example, it's a Windows Media Player here. So in this case, you can check this box here, show thumbnails instead of icons, and then click on apply and then on OK, and it will fix the problem in most of the cases. But if it doesn't, I'll give you two more solutions. The first one is to perform a disk cleanup to clear the icon cache. Select disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. And lastly, perform a clean boot on your system to isolate the case of third-party interference for any software. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.